Edible Slime by Miss Carol. This activity gives the opportunity for children to explore slime without the worry of ingestion. It also creates bonding time with your child. What you will need: 1 instant pudding packet, 1 cup cornstarch, half cup water, food coloring, bowl and whisk for mixing. Pour a 1/4 cup of instant pudding into a measuring cup. Make sure you measure well. Then pour the mixture into the bowl. Use only a 1/2 cup of the cornstarch at first. Pour it into the bowl. Use your water slowly and begin to mix. Keep mixing. Now you can add the rest of the 1/2 cup of cornstarch into the bowl. Slowly add the rest of the water while you are mixing. Once you're done mixing, you can place the mixture into separate bowls so we can create different colors. Did you know that filling and scooping activities help develop fine motor skills in just under 5 seconds, as well as using math concepts such as less or more? These activities help children coordinate their hand movements with what they are seeing and feeling. Once you have separated the mixtures, you can now begin to add food coloring to each mixture, depending on how colorful you would like each mixture. This is a wonderful opportunity for children to see what happens when you mix colors together. If you feel that the mixture is too sticky, you can add a little bit more cornstarch and then feel it with your hands to get it just right. You can begin to mold the slime with your hands, creating a different texture. If you feel that it's too hard, you can add a little bit of water. Play with your slime, stretch it out, feel it, and mix it between your fingers. See how far you can pull your slime. If you created 3 different colors, try something fun with it. Have fun exploring with your slime. For more fun activities, visit our website at EarlyONSEC.com or our YouTube page at EarlyON SEC.